How to remove member from Messenger group. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to remove member from Messenger group. So first is you have to make sure that you have updated your Messenger application. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store here and search in or type in Messenger. Now, if you will see an update button there, all you have to do is to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see here, I do not have an update button, which means that my messenger is updated. And now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. Let's go back to the home page and let's open our messenger and go to the group. So basically it could only remove a person if you are an admin there. Also depends on the admin's rule if it needs to be approved or something like that. And here under the group info, you will see chat members. And as you can see here, I have added two persons or two people. And let's say I wanna remove Kimberly here. All you have to do is to click on her name, and as you can see here, you could actually remove her from the group and click on remove from group, and basically she is now removed from the group. And that is how you remove member from messenger group. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day. Thank you.